Hello and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today we're gonna talk about how to fly. Telekinesises, they have different difficulties, I would say. Aerokinesis is mostly easier than telekinesis. Pyrokinesis is usually harder than hydrokinesis, and so on. But the hardest kinesis out there is to levitate, to fly, to move upwards away from Earth. That is usually the hardest kinesis there is. Let me tell you why. The reason for that is you have to do all the kinesises at once. Do you remember how to levitate an object? You have to do push telekinesis and pull telekinesis in the same time. You push, pull, push, pull. At some point the object is flying, or more so levitating. When you try to fly or levitate yourself, it is very similar. You have to do telekinesis on yourself. You have to build a connection to yourself. And the way you do it, you have to do hydrokinesis with the water inside of you. You have to do hydrokinesis with the water inside of you. In the same time, you have to do pyrokinesis with the heat inside of you. Okay. You have to do aerokinesis. You have to bring the air underneath you and then push you up in the same time. And I could keep going. Do you understand? In order to fly, you have to do all those kinesises in the same time, and only then you can levitate. That's why most gurus or kinesis artists, as I call them, they have a hard time doing that, because you have to focus on all of these things in the same time. So I know you've been asking for more levitation tutorials, but I must say, watch all of the other videos, because only then you can levitate or fly. If you learn how to do hydrokinesis, how to do pyrokinesis, how to do telekinesis, aerokinesis, and all the other kinesises, you have to learn all of them first. And then you can start practicing levitation and how to fly. I wish there was an easy way to learn these things. There isn't. Telekinesis is not easy, but that's not why you're here. You are here because you know you have the ability to learn these things. You have the strength, the stamina, the willpower. That's why you're watching these videos, because you know you're special. And I appreciate you. So the best tip I can give you is, go ahead, watch the other tutorials I've made so far. Try to learn as good as you can. And do the breathing exercises, meditate. And in a few years, maybe months if you're good, you can levitate yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for learning. Thank you for being here with me. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. And have a good